everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody just having a wonderful day and that you're at a safe place and that you're living your best life based on what you have. Yesterday I posted a video on my retirement. 29 years working for Republic Services, long job, tough job, back-breaking job, but I finally made it and I retired. There's only 3% of the guys that do this kind of work this kind of industry, actually retire from this type of job. They either get fired, get sick, die, car accident, anything something to happen, okay? So I want to give you my normal day of duties by working for this company. I will clock in, I will get there at 6 o'clock, the shift start at 6:45. I'll get my dispatch, I know what route I was pulling, I go out there, I pull a route, okay? I put anything and everything on the truck that I'm supposed to do, automated, okay? My first load can be anywhere from 12 to 13 tons, okay, on the truck. I come in the dump, I dump all those germs out, I leave, I go get my second load. My second load is about another 8 tons. So on the average day, I would say the average is about 25, 26, 27 maybe tons of trash. There's some guys pull more than that, okay? The front loader guys pull 30 tons a day, okay? So we pick up trash. I have different neighborhoods every day that I would service, okay? So we pick up homes and we pick up hospitals. Hospitals have all kinds of hypodermic needles, all kinds of things that we pick up. We put it on the truck, and the truck packs everything that you put on it. And as it's packing, those bags are breaking. And those fumes and those germs are leaking out of the truck. Not just on you, but also in the air in the neighborhood, okay? So we run through these affected, filled bags every single day, okay? So I would say to you that if you're driving around any type of garbage truck, close your windows up because there's all kinds of germs coming out of that garbage truck, okay? All types of germs. Those germs that the driver pick up, he goes through several neighborhoods. Sometimes it could be 25 homes, 2,000 homes, 3,000 homes, okay? All those germs coming in front of your house at some point, okay? We dump your toter. That toter goes into the truck, it comes back out, germs come back out. Some people grab the toter, take it back in the garage, no gloves on their hands. They taking those germs back into their homes, okay? And I would tell you not to drive around those trucks at all, because if you drive around those trucks and you got your windows open in your car, guess where those germs are going? Those germs are going in your nose, in your car, and you got to either go wash your car and disinfect yourself, because we live in a different season now, totally different season, and people are getting sick like crazy, okay? So we drive through many neighborhoods, lots of neighborhoods. So again, don't follow too close to these trucks, okay? At the transfer station, at the end of the day, we go in the transfer station, we dump the truck. After we dump the truck, we cut the truck off, put the keys in our pocket, get in the back of the truck, the back of the blade, where all those germs are. We take a broom and we sweep it clean, because if we don't clean the truck out, we get in trouble and we get written up. And then also, it'll begin to do some damage to the back of the truck and the back of the push-out blade. It'll begin to block it, and the truck won't operate the way it's supposed to. So every day, part of our duties, we'll get a broom and we'll go back of that truck, okay? No matter what kind of mask we got on, we don't have total PPE. Some people wear those regular scarves or those gangbanger scarves they put on their face. They go in the back, they clean the truck out. It's hot, especially on a hot day when it's 115 degrees. It's even hotter on back of that blade. But that was our job, to go clean that. Now you're exposing yourself to every bit of those germs you picked up from that day, okay? So that truck, after I clean it out, take it back, park it online. Okay, so that truck sits overnight. The next day, I come back getting the same truck. The trucks don't get disinfected. Sometimes they have a second party group, a Mexican crew come in and just spray the truck off on the outside of the truck, spray the windows. But they don't touch the back. So now the next day begins again. I'm in back of the truck. I'm driving the truck again on a route. I'm putting almost 30 tons on it, okay? And people mix all kinds of stuff in the trash, okay? Because they don't want to take it to the dump themselves. So now we got paint thinner, we got paint, we got all kinds of chemicals. Some people got battery acid. All these things go into your truck. The blade is running, okay? And some of these guys now are pulling bulk. Now bulk is different from the side-on truck. The side-on truck, the arm reaches out, grabs the can, dumps it, bang, boom. But you're still exposed to all those germs because you can smell it in the cab. Now, the bulk route is you just two guys on the truck. One guy's driving, one guy's on the back of the truck. He's picking up cans. He's picking up everything. There's some neighborhoods that's got clean garbage. They secure it good. They put it in plastic bags. You good to go. But there's some neighborhoods and there's some alleys where crackheads, dope fiends, and everybody else live. You got those hypodermic needles. They putting in the bags. The bags bust. A few of my friends that got stuck. They had to go to the hospital, get those needles, get those shots, because people can throw out anything and everything. Don't forget Vegas. Vegas is one of the main cities where the trash is unlimited. So people can put half their houses out right now to be picked up. And the trash man if it takes him all day long, he got to pick everything up they throw out. Some of them put wood out. The wood goes out, the nails are still in it, splinters, all kinds of stuff. They give us gloves, but I'm going to tell you something about those gloves. Those gloves are not puncture proof. They stick you through the gloves. Those palm limbs stick you through the gloves. I'm a living witness. I did it for 29 years. I know what's out there. I know what people throw out. Okay? So I just wanted to also mention this to you, that when you see these trash trucks run through your neighborhoods, don't let your kids be close to these trucks. Don't come out and look at the truck because you think they fancy and they look good, because now you're infesting yourself with those germs, and all those germs are coming your way now. Okay? Even when you're following behind them, these trucks are full of germs. These trucks are not being cleaned out. They're not being disinfected. Okay? All those germs. So you look at this truck after a month and it's still full of germs. Can you imagine how much germs that these trucks have? Okay? And now all the drivers, and I talked to a guy yesterday, he was telling me only thing they give them is just a little hand cleaners and a little sanitizer, and that's it. They don't even have the whole proper PEE. And if you do research, do YouTube, and go online and Google it, there's an article out now how Republic Services is not supplying their workers with proper PEE. Okay? That means they're out there, the fences all by themselves. Okay? Because on a normal day, after the day when I was over, I put my boots in my trunk. I never put it in the house. But also, I would walk in the house with my uniform on and sit on the couch, and my wife said, "What are you sitting there for? You full of germ. If you want to talk, you want to do this, go upstairs, take them clothes off, take a shower, come back downstairs, and we'll talk." She said, "Because you're infesting the whole house with those germs." And I wonder how many of those drivers now that are still working there that actually go sit in your living room, have a beer, do this, do that, fall asleep, take a nap, and you so tired from all that trash they done put on you, and you infesting your whole house, your family, your kids with those garbage germs or anything else that you picked up from your normal day of work. Okay? Now, again, the trucks are not sanitized. We sweep them out, put them back online, and they're used again the next day. Okay? And this happens on a cycle after cycle after cycle. Okay? Many routes also have trailer parks. And there's some people that are in trailer parks that are filthy, dirty, disgusting. They put anything and everything out. I can tell you the stuff that I picked up. And if you're eating right now, it'll make you want to throw up. And I really mean that with all sincerity that's in me. From dog poop to everything else they would put out, okay, in the trash it goes, okay? Also, there's been reported there's one sanitation driver that used to work in New York has already died now from COVID-19, okay? These germs are real. There's a lot of seniors in Sun City that we service. Some of those seniors die. They have all kinds of illnesses. They have all kinds of things wrong with them. The kids come, take all their stuff, throw it on the curb, and then here come the trash guys, here come the bulk guys. You got to pick all that stuff up with your gloves, okay? And a lot of times, these drivers ain't changing their gloves out every day. They use the same gloves that they use on Monday, the same gloves that they use on Tuesday, the same glove that they use on Wednesday. That's completely infected. Because if you go to the foreman and say, hey, here's my glove, he's going to say they're not dirty enough, so he's not going to give you a new pair. Because they usually have an exchange program with the company. If you give them a really funky, stinky, disgusting pair of gloves, they'll give you a new pair. But they don't look like they wore out. They said, keep trucking, keep it pushing. So now you got all those germs on your hands, seeping through your gloves on your hands. A lot of those guys don't wash their hands enough. They don't sterilize their hands, and this COVID-19 gonna catch up with them sooner or later. Okay. So again, we have drug-infested neighborhoods. Okay, all kinds of drugs, all kinds of stuff, and people are bringing drugs home. Okay. And I'm gonna tell you something. As I end this video, the garbage men are putting their livelihood on the line. Every day they come and get into those trucks because don't tell them what they're going to catch. I'm just trying to help the general public. I'm just trying to tell you that whether you're in Vegas, whether you're in Chicago, whether you're in Indiana, or whatever city you may be in, wherever you follow on this channel, Caribbean Eat is telling you now, when you see those trash trucks, get away from them. They're not being sanitized. They're leaking stuff on the ground. Don't touch it. It's smelling up the neighborhoods, okay? Because it's all about corporation making these big dollars, okay? It's not about your health, and it's not about what you breathe in. So my job is to warn you, and all those guys that are still working, make sure you wash your hands. I don't care if you got to stop and wash your hands on every street, and make sure your hands are purified, and make sure your hands are sanitized. Make sure you got a mask or something on your face. I wear a scarf every day. They thought every day I came to work, they thought I was either the invisible man or it was a stick up, because I got a mask on my face every single day, from the time I walk into the front door to the time that I leave out, because I don't want that stuff all in my face, breathing it and taking those germs home. So, like I was saying on the channel, in the meantime, between the time, life is to be enjoyed. And if you can't enjoy life when you're infected with millions and millions of germs, I'm glad, again, I don't look like what I've been through. I'm glad you guys enjoyed the video, the retirement video, and you can see I'm yet celebrating being away from that environment, because now it's more serious than it ever was with this COVID-19 going around. I'm praying for all the drivers, male or female, every day they go out there, that they protect themselves, because the company gonna give you but so much, and the rest is up to you. Okay, you got them germs, you take those germs with you when you get in your car, those germs in your car, all in your car. When you get home, they're in your living room, and if you don't start sanitizing your car and yourself, sooner or later you're gonna get sick, because everybody who's ever throw out trash can throw out anything and everything they want. There's some people that's sick, don't realize they're sick, they blow their nose, they throw everything in the trash. Sometimes they don't tie the trash bag off. You know how it goes, everything falls out. If you don't stop and pick it up, they're gonna call that on you and saying that you ain't doing your job right. So you gotta make sure you clean everything up with your hands, with your gloves. But those gloves, remember, ain't changed every single day. So I'm just trying to help you, send a warning out, protect yourself, okay? Protect yourself and protect others. And don't be close to these garbage trucks, guys, when you drive down the street. You see them, I don't care if they got to pull over the side of the road. Get out the way, because they're full of toxic germs that can affect you. So, have a wonderful day, and again, stay safe. Thanks for joining the channel. Continue to hit that subscription notification. And guess what, guys? We'll definitely see you on the next video. Peace.